Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
I am breaking an egg into a bowl. Let's read it again. I am breaking an egg into a bowl. I am melting the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Let's read it again. I am melting the butter in a saucepan over low heat. I am spreading peanut butter on bread to make a sandwich. Let's read it again. I am spreading peanut butter on bread to make a sandwich. I am layering lasagna noodles with sauce and cheese for dinner. Let's read it again. I am layering lasagna noodles with sauce and cheese for dinner. I am rolling out the dough to make cookies. Let's read it again. I am rolling out the dough to make cookies. I am frying chicken for dinner. Let's read it again. I am frying chicken for dinner. I am peeling an apple for a snack. Let's read it again. I am peeling an apple for a snack. I am mixing the ingredients for the cake batter. Let's read it again. I am mixing the ingredients for the cake batter. I am whipping the cream for the dessert. Let's read it again. I am whipping the cream for the dessert. I am sautéing vegetables for stir-fry. Let's read it again. I am sautéing vegetables for stir-fry. I am tasting the sauce to check its flavor. Let's read it again. I am tasting the sauce to check its flavor. I am cutting vegetables for the salad. Let's read it again. I am cutting vegetables for the salad. I am chopping onions for the stew. Let's read it again. I am chopping onions for the stew. I am slicing bread for sandwiches. Let's read it again. I am slicing bread for sandwiches. I am grating cheese for the pizza. Let's read it again. I am grating cheese for the pizza. I am boiling water for pasta. Let's read it again. I am boiling water for pasta. I am steaming vegetables. Let's read it again. I am steaming vegetables. I am pinching salt to add to the soup. Let's read it again. I am pinching salt to add to the soup. I am pouring coffee into my cup. Let's read it again. I am pouring coffee into my cup. I am barbecuing chicken. Let's read it again. I am barbecuing chicken. I am roasting chicken in the oven for 30 minutes. Let's read it again. I am roasting chicken in the oven for 30 minutes. I am baking cookies for 15 minutes. Let's read it again. I am baking cookies for 15 minutes. I am weighing ingredients for the recipe. Let's read it again. I am weighing ingredients for the recipe.